Hey guys, this is Sam from Nassau Computer Repairs. Welcome to another video. This is going to be my official submission for Timeplast Apple contest. For those unaware, I'll link it in the description below. Essentially, what they want you to do is pick up their passive filament, print this apple, put it in a location that might be exposed to the elements and whatnot, take a picture every month and email it in. I guess the goal of the competition is to test the filament in different environments around the globe. So I'm really excited to be a part of this one. Yeah, enjoy. Thank you.